So hey everybody, it's TR back with another episode in my truck camper renovation series. I just got back from my local monument company. That's where they make headstones. And they get all this pallet wood. These headstones come shipped in crates before they mill them out and do all that stuff. So anyway, they come in pallets and they put the pallets out for the public to consume. And I've been picking these up now for a while because I've been cutting them up and using them for firewood. So I need to get underneath the lip of the camper here, but the jack system is sitting on the lip of the camper, and so it won't let me do that. So I got to take it loose. And I was wondering how I was going to support it while it's off the jacks. And I thought, hey, these pallets should work great. So we're going to see what we can do with those. I broke my ground. So I went to run the jacks up and down, and I have a ground problem because I've already disassembled some of this. These grounds here I need to get reconnected. Not this one, it just goes to the truck, but this one here and this needs to get connected. And so all I'm going to do is, just for now, I'm just going to take a pair of vice grips. I'm just going to come in here and I'm just going to vice grip this on here. And we'll do the same thing over here. All right. Okay, we should have ground now. So I just need to lift that up so I'll have enough. I need to get the camper up high enough so when I lift the jacks up, I've got enough room to get them out of there. And so I think I'll go maybe just a little higher. All right, I'm huffing and puffing, but I got my pallet pile built. Let's take a look at it. But the question is, will it hold up the camper? Let's see. Be underneath this in case something goes bad. So I'm reinstalling these bolts up here. Can you see those up there? So I'm reinstalling that right now because I want to keep this on this here. This is not stable. I don't trust it. So I'm going to do something about it later, but I'm going to leave it on the jacks, but I want to tighten up these. That took quite a while. I'm surprised. Well, I'm surprised how long it took. And I was scared beepless because, you know, these pallets, this is not real stable. But it gave me enough lift that I could get this thing up and get this piece of trim out of here. Wherever I put it, oh, it's right over here. But it got me up enough that I could get the trim out of here. And then I'm gonna leave it sitting on this until I'm ready to rework this. And at that point, I'll probably have a better pile of pallets that I can work with. But this got me to where I needed to go today. Let's see, what time is it? Oh, it's only 3:15. I'll take a little break here, have a cuppa, and then I think I'll come back and continue taking the aluminum off the side here. So, peace out. Rusty, rusty, rusty. Not liking that. So what I'm complaining about, you see all these screws are rusty, nearly every one of them, so it tells me these doors have been leaking. I guess we'll see what we got here in a minute. Oh, missed a screw. Missed several. Side ready to be stripped off, other than the windows taken out. I'm going to wait till tomorrow because it's getting a little late and it's starting to get cold. But I'm going to go ahead and finish taking off these doors, and then I think we'll call it. Well, it's a good sign these screws aren't that rusty. Some of them I've taken out have been really rusty, which tells me they've been leaking. But along through here, it hasn't been too bad. Well, that's it for today. Starting to lose light. It's getting cold. And I've got pretty much now the sides ready to come off, except for the windows. And we'll tackle that tomorrow. So we'll see you then. So it's the next day. Looks like another beautiful day on tap. Supposed to be almost 60 degrees. So today I'm going to get these windows all out. I got to get the windows out. Of course, we're going to reseal them all. But I've got to get these out so I can start to pull the skin off and see how much water damage we have, particularly up here. But the problem is I goofed up. And this shelf here, and the shelf, let me show you. So you see this? Okay. I can't really lean on that. It's going to fall out. So I'm hoping this ladder will, I can put this ladder under here and support it, because I got to get right up here to get that window out. That means I'm going to have to lean on this bed. Put that right there. Okay, that ought to hold me long enough to get the windows out. Okay, let's hope this doesn't fall down on me.
That was a lot more work than it should have been. Now I'm going to go move that ladder so I can work on this other side.
So I've got pretty much all the openings cleaned, well, as best as I can get them. And so I'm going to go ahead and start removing this siding. I'm going to start back here and work my way up. I think that's going to work best. So if you found value in this video, give me that thumbs up. Always appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and ring the notification bell. Lots of videos still to come in the truck camper renovation series that we're doing here. If you'd like to support the channel in another way, you can do so by visiting my Amazon store. There's a link in the description below. That link will take you to a page on my Amazon store with all the parts and pieces I'm getting from Amazon for the truck camper renovation, so you can follow along. Don't forget, as an Amazon affiliate, you pay the same price, but I get a small commission, and every little bit helps out. That's going to have to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. I sure do appreciate it. Till we get together for the next truck camper renovation video, peace.